how to schedule a Lyft ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can schedule your Lyft ride. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to schedule our Lyft ride, all you have to do is first of all, go ahead and launch the Lyft app. Now you can turn on your default location, or in this case, I'll just enter a manual pickup and drop location, right? So I'll just select the option called enter pickup location, and then I'll simply choose a pickup location in this case. Now once I search for a pickup location over here, I'll be able to see the search results, and then I'll go ahead and simply select it. Now once I've done that, I'll select a destination. So just go ahead and search for your destination and then select it. Once you've done that, tap on done, right? So if you'd like to schedule it, first of all, you will see all the information. So you can say pick up in 3 minutes, or pick up in 6 minutes, pick up in 15 minutes, depending upon where you want. You have to get to that specific position, and then you have to just tap on the option called schedule. Instead of select Lyft, you have to tap on the button that says schedule from the bottom right. So just tap on it. Now over here you can see confirm pickup spot, so make sure to confirm your pickup spot, or you can also navigate through maps manually in this case, and then just tap on the set pickup button, and then you can select your pickup time over here. I'll just select 12:30 a.m. depending upon wherever you want your pickup time to be, and then tap on OK. Then you can also select the date, whether you want today, tomorrow, next day after that, or whenever you want and comfortable for you. Just select the date and then hit OK. And all you have to do is just select the option called set a pickup time, and as you've done that, you'll be able to see all this information. The final information that you can see is the schedule button over here, so just tap on schedule. So once you tap on schedule, it'll ask you how would you like to pay. You can choose to pay with a bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal, or your Lyft cash. So this is not the physical cash that you have, but this is also the real cash which is actually used inside of the Lyft app. So you can select whichever option is convenient for you. Make sure to add a payment method, and then you'll be able to successfully schedule your ride. And that's how you can go ahead and then schedule a Lyft ride. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.